Hello everyone, this is me again, Andy, ANDE from ACLLC, a self and home improvement channel. So today is January 28, 2026. Today I'll be talking about the during and after removing and storing my Christmas decors, and also end of the year donation pre-packing, bagging, and tagging. So you will see my living room during and after the processes that I've mentioned. And this was from late December. So you will see here that it's almost the end part of the items being gone already, since I forgot to take the photos in the beginning. So most of the items are already gone, and most of the items clutters are already taken off. These are just the last items. So on this one, you will see here that I stored the Christmas decors in an obvious container. It's a red box, Christmassy. Before I put them in the basement. I also have a little label that I put the list of the items, but even if I didn't put the items, you would remember that those are the Christmas decorations. The next photo, it shows that this is after I washed all the donations that I'm giving, but except the new ones, the new items with still with price tags. I didn't wash them, of course. The used ones are the only ones that I washed. And some of the clothes, I even ironed them just to make them look nice, clean, and fresh. So once I'm done with getting them ready, I kind of bag them, and I also tag them, and it will be ready for pickup. Now the next photo would be after everything is taken off. Clutter is free. It's clutter free. It's prettier and more organized. I also added some colored boxes, so it's not boring looking and not mostly brown, because if I didn't put those color, it will show that it's mostly brown color. But now it's more livelier with color. So this is the after and another after. So I'll show you again from the beginning. This is how cluttered it is, but these are like the end part. I've already removed a lot, already fixed a lot. So this is the during, actually the during. This is the after. I love it as usual. And another one. So I hope you got some tips or inspiration on this episode that I did, sharing my true to life self home improvement. And as usual, I love showing off the after. Until then, thank you so much for watching. And please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.